Okay, here we have thumb versus table saw part 2. Shouldn't be as bad this time. It's been 4 days since I did it, and we're going to unwrap it and see what it looks like. I don't have it bandaged up quite as heavy this time. Last time it was still bleeding, so I had the gauze on there too. I'm just going to stick to itself. I'm using my Kodak this time instead of the webcam. Hopefully it'll be a little better quality. Actually, I just bought one of Dad's old video cameras off him. So hopefully once I get that, I'll start doing some other videos too. I don't know what of. Probably just like friends hanging out kind of thing, but I definitely want to do some more video stuff. Keep this in the frame here if I can. This stuff sticks pretty good. I'm hoping the bleeding stopped completely. I'm thinking we might find some blood in here though, because earlier I was rolling up the window in my work van and managed to smack my thumb off the dashboard of the van. Didn't feel good. Did it right on the end of the thumb where the cut's the worst. I don't see any blood coming through the bandage though. Well, a little bit. Let's see, I think we're just going to be better off just to cut it from here. You can see Addie there playing with the bandage. Anything that hangs down like that moves, she'll play with. Here. Take it. No. Here we go to the trusty Leatherman Surge. Get a good pair of scissors on there. There we go. Voila. Still pretty nasty looking, huh? Not too terribly bad. I'm guessing most of the blood there on the end is from bumping it earlier. Looking better though. Hopefully by the end of the week it'll look a lot better even still. But there you have it.